In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Voice Chat. Claude's voice mode is a convenient feature that allows you to have spoken conversations with Claude instead of typing. This feature is available in beta on the web and in the Claude mobile app for both iPhone and Android users. However, do note that availability might vary depending on your account and region. Let's get started with using Claude Voice Mode on your mobile device. First, open the Claude app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Once you have the app open, you can either open an existing chat or start a new one. This flexibility allows you to pick up conversations right where you left off. Now look for the voice mode icon. It's represented by a sound wave and is located right next to the text input field. When you tap the voice mode icon for the first time, you'll be prompted to allow Claude access to your microphone. This step is crucial because without microphone access, Claude won't be able to hear and transcribe what you say. Once you've granted access, you may be asked to choose a voice. This allows you to personalize the experience to your liking. Now you're ready to start speaking naturally to Claude. As you talk, Claude will transcribe what you say and respond to you out loud. This is particularly useful if you're multitasking or on the go, as it allows for hands-free interaction. Remember, speaking naturally helps Claude understand you better and provides more accurate responses. Switching over to using Claude Voice Mode on the web is just as straightforward. Begin by signing into Claude at claude.ai. Once you're logged in, start a new chat. You will notice a sound wave icon located in the lower right corner of the chat window. Click on this icon to activate voice mode. If your browser prompts you to allow microphone access, make sure to grant it. This is important because it enables Claude to listen to your voice commands and respond accordingly. Now you can speak your prompt and Claude will reply using its voice. It's a seamless experience that makes interaction with Claude more engaging and efficient. When you're finished with your conversation, simply click Stop. This action ends the voice chat and allows you to either continue typing or start a new voice interaction later. It's a great way to manage your time and ensure that your sessions with Claude are as productive as possible. If you wish to change the voice during your session on an iPhone or iPad, while in voice mode, tap the Settings button in the lower left corner. From there, you can choose a different voice and adjust the speaking pace to match your preferences. This customization option enhances your experience by allowing you to select a voice that is most comfortable for you to listen to. For web users, you can change the voice by navigating to Settings, then selecting General, followed by Voice Settings. Here you can choose your preferred voice. This is a useful feature because it lets you tailor the interaction to suit your personal taste, making the conversation feel more natural and engaging. With these steps, you now have the tools to effectively use Claude Voice Chat, both on mobile devices and the web. This feature not only adds convenience but also enhances the way you interact with Claude. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Claude Voice Chat in your daily routine.